here is how to get a free working soundboard for Gorilla Tag in 2026. No PC, just your Quest 3S or Quest 2. And you cannot do this on Quest 1. This does not work on Quest 1. I don't think Quest 1 is able to run the stuff you need. I don't think Quest 1 can run Gorilla Tag or any other popular VR games that you guys would play. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is go into browser, or if you have the YouTube app downloaded already. No, you need browser. No. Go into browser. Click on YouTube. Now, like, search up whatever song you want to play. Like, like Despacito. Search up whatever song you want to play. Once you find it, just click it. Just play it.
From hard hats to steel-toed boots, Grainger's got your safety needs covered. Literally. Shop Grainger's vast inventory of...
Just play it. Now click minimize.
Fonzie!
Now click on Gorilla Tag again. And you will back in Gorilla Tag with a working soundboard.
Sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome.